Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. How to forehand topspin the underspin ball with Coach Xiaoxi. Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. How to topspin the underspin ball. Mastering the forehand topspin technique is a crucial skill for any aspiring table tennis player. Today we have the privilege of learning from the esteemed coach Xiaoxi as he guides a young player in the art of topspinning underspin balls. With decades of coaching experience and a wealth of knowledge, Coach Chi's insights are sure to provide valuable tips for players looking to improve their game. Step 1. Proper racket placement. Coach Chi emphasizes the importance of having the racket in the right position for executing a successful forehand topspin. As you prepare to receive an underspin ball, keep your racket slightly closed with the face tilted downward. This angle will allow you to brush the ball effectively and generate the desired topspin. Additionally, ensure that your grip is comfortable and firm, as it plays a significant role in controlling the ball during the topspin stroke. Step 2. Utilize your legs. A strong topspin shot requires excellent footwork and leg work. Coach Chi advises his students to use their legs as a foundation for generating power and stability during the topspin stroke. When you see an underspin ball approaching, get into a balanced position by bending your knees slightly and positioning your feet shoulder-width apart. This stance enables you to transfer weight efficiently and generate the necessary power for an effective topspin. Step 3. Timing and ball contact. Timing is crucial when attempting to topspin an underspin ball. As Coach Chi points out, waiting for the ball to reach the optimal height before making contact is vital for a successful topspin stroke. Allowing the ball to rise to a higher point gives you more time to brush the ball and create the topspin effect. When making contact with the ball, focus on brushing the bottom side of it with a slightly upward and forward motion. The brushing action, combined with the closed racket angle, imparts topspin on the ball, causing it to dip and bounce more aggressively on your opponent's side of the table. Step 4. Practice and patience. Like any skill in table tennis, mastering the forehand topspin on underspin balls requires consistent practice and patience. Coach Chi encourages his students to practice regularly, both with a partner and against a robot or a ball machine. Repetition and perseverance are key factors in building muscle memory and improving the execution of this challenging shot. Conclusion. With the guidance of Coach Xiaoxi, we have delved into the essential techniques required to topspin an underspin ball with a forehand stroke. By maintaining proper racket placement, utilizing your legs, and making contact with the ball at the right moment, you can enhance the effectiveness of your forehand topspin and gain a significant advantage over your opponents.
你拉手的时候，现在还是有点往后放，再拉开一点，然后蹬下腿，往后放一点，就是你不要这么引放，然后往后放一点，你试一下，就把那位置让出来，然后蹬腿，对，再使点劲儿，对，爆发力，拉到球就找高点，对，这个好，找高点，摩擦，对，这个好，对，这样你就能使上劲儿。你要那样的话，全是摩擦。对，这个好，不要紧，可以。对，腿还原啊，拉完腿还原。对，好，我找球，很好。对，赢前，好球。对，手再打开点。对，这个好。你看，你这样能发出力。你如果是这么拉的话，它没有力量。你把它稍微打开一点，这个甩出去它就有劲儿。你如果拉的时候，你可以稍微注意一下就可以。 的坠下来。正常的摩擦什么都没问题，对，找高点，对，转蹬腿，好，很好，摩擦，这摩擦是没有摩擦了，等会儿摩擦了，这撞的太多了。你拉球的时候把气憋到这儿，这个地方要使劲，往上蹬，胯要转，哎呦，很好，打开点，对，很好。别着急，好，这个好，很好，可以，很好，打开，别着急，可以歇会儿。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.